guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a pretty big online thrift haul to share with you. I found some really good stuff on Depop, Poshmark, eBay, you name it. And if you want to see me shop for these pieces and hear all of my tips for thrifting online, make sure you check out my last video. So I have about 10 really cool Y2K era finds that I'm very excited about, so let's just get right into it. I honestly don't know what anything is. I've been hanging on to these packages for like a week and I've been super excited to show you guys. Sorry for making you wait for the haul. Had to wait for everything to come in. Ooh, okay, first up. Oh my God, you guys. Yeah. Oh my God, I feel like these are better in person. Like when I saw the listing, I couldn't really tell if these were beaded or embroidered, so I kind of took a chance, but they're these Y2K flare butterfly beaded jeans. And I love these so much, oh my God. The brand is Reworked jeans, but let me get a close-up of the beaded detail here. All of the butterflies and the flowers. It's so pretty. It's like pink and orange and silver. I really like the dark wash kind of denim too, so I'm really excited about these. Aren't they cute? The back pockets have like some cute stitching details too. It's got a little patch here. Super cutie. Moving on. Guys, I don't even know what to do. Let's do this bigger one. It may or may not be some shoes. Let's find out. Oh, you guys. Once again, shout out to Zach for finding these for me on eBay. Oh my God, they're even cooler in person. They're these super vintage American Eagle platform wedge sandals. They're like black leather, but they have the silver studs and grommets on the top. Oh my God. Aren't these so cool? I thought they were gonna be like squishy, but they're solid. Let's get a close-up of the details. Oh my Lord. They're so cool. You guys, look at this tag. How old do you think these are? Like, these have to be so old. The bottom's giving Squidward. Obviously, if you watched my last video, you know I've been wanting some wedges slash platforms, and these are just perfect. I was so happy when Zach sent me these. I feel like this is gonna be my staple summer sandal that I'll wear all summer long. Yay! Let's keep going. Let's do this cute star package. I love this packaging, so cute. Oh, okay, we have another pair of jeans. I'm excited about these ones. You guys. Oh my God, I feel like these are gonna fit me so good. Okay, let's get the full shot here. They're these Y2K low-rise flare jeans once again, but these ones have like a super cute star sequin patch on them. Oh my God. I think the person just like did this themselves, because on the listing it said like reworked vintage jeans, so I'm assuming they like put these on themselves. I don't know. I don't know what the brand is, couldn't tell you. Kind of smells like cigarettes. Oh no. High key smells like cigarettes. I'm not gonna lie. Not again, you guys. This happened last time I did my haul. I feel like it's easier to get out of clothes. Last time it was like in one of the bags I ordered, like it just smelled really strong, so hopefully I can get them out. But for now, let's ignore that, move past that. They're really cool. And also on the back, it has this really cool patch. It says, "Good girls do bad things. Stop." Oh my God. I love jeans that have like back pocket stitching details or like fun details on the back. Like, I think that's so cute. And then also the waistband is like a crossover waistband, and then it has like the two buttons. I love that. I also love the front pockets. They're like cutesy and tiny. Okay, let's see what we have here. I think I know what this is, maybe. Ooh, we have these Y2K sunnies. Super cute rhinestone details. I love this like silver bar up here. I didn't see that in the listing. And then when you turn them to the side, they have these super cute heart cutouts. Oh my God, look at that. And I love the like cutouts here too. These are so cool. Let's see. Oh my God. Do they look cool? Yeah, they even have little hearts here behind the ear. Oh my God. Yeah, there's no brand or anything, but they feel like heavy duty and like high quality. Ooh, I love these. Very happy with these. What else do we have? This is so fun. I love doing these hauls. Let me know if you guys enjoy these, because I know I do. I was so confused. I knew this was a hat, Like I could tell that it was this hat that I ordered, but then it was flipped inside out and I was like, I don't remember it being tan. But here we go. It's not, that's why. Oh my God, I love it. It's this vintage Harley Davidson y2k style hat. I love all the like sequins and the beading and the like cursive font. It's honestly a vibe. And then on the back, I said this in my last video, but it had like a string or something back there and it's missing it. But I thought we could do a little DIY and put like a white ribbon or like a pink ribbon or something back there and just like tie it ourselves. I feel like it would look really cute. So I just love the shape of these like y2k hats where they're like kind of squared off, but they're like flimsy. I don't know how to explain it. Does anyone know like what that style of hat is called? I don't know. Anyways, here's the tag. Super old Harley. Love to see it. Let's try it on. Ooh. Oh my God. Very, very cute. Love it. Trying to be a hat girly, as you guys know. Ooh, okay. I was on the hunt for some like really cute spring style tops. And then I found this really cute pink knit cardigan. It's actually a lot thicker than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like super thin, but it's more like a sweater, but that's okay. It's still really cute. I love the buttons on it. And they're like really big and oversized and chunky, and I love that. This is gonna be so cute. I thought this would be really cute with like a denim skirt, so I'll probably pair it with that. But I love the little sleeves. They have like little stripe details right here, and so does the bottom. I just like that it's like open, like it only has the 3 buttons and then it kind of just like flares open like that. This is so cute. It's kind of giving grandma, but I think we could style it to be cute. Sometimes I feel like I gravitate towards grandma-esque things, but then when I style it, it's like, okay. So anyways, it's cute. All right, only a few more. Oh, look how cute the stickers are. Oh my God. I love when people package my orders like so cute. Just makes me happy. I think I know what these are. Yep, these are my other pair of sunnies that I ordered. Ooh, these are a vibe. I was really wanting some like skinny framed y2k like model off duty vibes, and oh my God, you guys. These are vintage Liz Claiborne. Oh my God. Wowie. They're honestly so sick. I love that they're like missing the top of the frame. I just feel like that's such a cool touch. Like it's very cool, girl. Also, I love that they're brown. I don't have any brown sunglasses, so I was really excited to find these. I wonder when these are from. I really like these on me, actually. I'm really excited. Okay guys, one more package to open, and then I have a little something extra to show you. But let's see. I think I know what this one is, and I'm super excited. Oh, so excited. Guys, these are so like Lizzie McGuire core, okay? Oh my God. They are vintage Tommy girl little pink and brown wedges, and they have this really cute like beaded flower at the front there. Oh my God. I originally saw these on eBay and then they weren't my size, so I was on the hunt to find them. So I ended up finding them on Poshmark for like 20 bucks. It was honestly such a really good deal. You guys know how I feel about pink and brown. It's like the elite color combo. These are just perfect. I thought these would be so cute with like some low-rise jeans that like flare out at the bottom and just have like the little flower peeking through. Like that'd be such a vibe. So I'm super, super excited about these. The top part's like leather, and then we have like the beaded flower as you guys saw, and then the bottom part's like suede. So they're really, really cool. Oh my God, you guys, they barely freaking fit me. Oh, they're a little small. Guys, they're cute. My heel hangs off like a tiny bit. I probably should have got a 6.5. These are a 6, but oh well, I'll make them work. They're really cute. Aren't they like so Lizzie McGuire though? Like, I don't know. And look at like the freaking tag. That is so crazy, right? Okay, and then sadly I ordered 2 more things, but they're either lost or stuck in transit. The tracking just like won't update and it says like delayed. That's unfortunate, but I'll still show you guys what I got. It's one thing from Poshmark and one thing from Depop. On Poshmark, it's this super cute vintage express little button-up short sleeve blazer vest type top. I've been looking at these like all over the place. I saved so many on Pinterest and I wanted one so bad, and this was a really good deal. It was only $13. It's gonna be super cute, like layered over a little lace cami, and then I love the little bows on the sleeve too. So hopefully that arrives soon. Once it does, I'll make sure to make like a little YouTube short or something styling like everything that I got today. So stay tuned for that as well. But then on Depop, I also got this really cute black and baby blue polka dot little cami top. It's got like a super cute blue ribbon in the front, tied in a little bow, and then it has like the ruffle trim at the bottom and on the top here. It's really cute. I hope this comes too because I want to wear it so bad. But anyways, I thought I would just share that with you anyways, even though they're not here. Sadly, I can't try them on yet, but hopefully they come soon. In other news, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know this, but Zach and I are moving into our new townhouse next month. Yay! So I have a lot of content coming soon for that, like thrifting for furniture and empty house tour, all that kind of stuff is coming. So definitely stay tuned for that. But that being said, the past few weekends we've been out and about all over town to like different antique stores and thrift stores. So I have a lot of videos coming about that, but I did get a few clothing items. You know, I can't walk in without finding something for myself. So I figured I would just include them in this haul and like try them on and show you guys. Here we go. There's only like 4 things I think, but the first thing, I actually found this yesterday at this little antique furniture store that we've never been to. They have like an upstairs that had like 2 clothing racks of clothes, and I found this and I couldn't believe it. It's a vintage Juicy Couture zip up terry cloth hoodie. I actually am like in love with the color, and I figured this would be super cute in the spring too. It'd also be cute as like a little swimsuit cover up because it's like terry cloth material. At first I was like, oh, it doesn't have like anything on the back, like it's just plain, so I didn't know if I wanted it, but then I saw like the cute little J zipper in the front there. I thought that was so cute, and then I was like, maybe it's a good thing it's plain. Like, I don't know, it's nice and simple. Once I tried it on, I was like, oh, like this is really cute, so I had to get it. But here's the tag, vintage Juicy, made in America. It was like 20 bucks, so not too bad for vintage Juicy. And then I found this little denim jacket at another antique mall that we've never been to. It's very simple, but I loved the way it fit on me, and it's like kind of cropped, which I really like. I don't even know this brand or anything. It's just called Gas. And it's got like a little cute patch up here. It says, keep it simple. This was only 12 bucks. I only really have like one good denim jacket, and I just like never reach for it. So I feel like this one I'll wear a lot. So I did pick that one up. And then I got a bunch of cute little spring tops. You guys know I was on the hunt for a lot of those. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I have 4. Oh my God. And then at that same antique mall, there's like a little clothing store inside of it. So I got 2 tops there. I got this super cute Y2k style little knit top. I actually really like this. This is a little bit out of my comfort zone. It's just like very loud, and the pattern and color is just very loud, but I honestly really like it, and it fits really good. Honestly, you guys, the 3/4 sleeves are starting to grow on me. Like 2 of the tops that I bought are 3/4 sleeves, and I was like, what is happening to me? Like I used to hate them, but now they're really cute, and like in the spring, it just looks so cute. Like you don't have to wear a full long sleeve. You can just have the 3/4 sleeve. So there we have it. And then I also got another cutie little spring top. It's this really cute pink floral flowy tank top, but when you get a little bit closer, you'll see that it's got like little beads all throughout. And I loved the like ruffle at the top, and then you can like tie the strings at a little bow. I'm trying to get more nicer, cute tops for spring that aren't t-shirts or like baby tees, and I really liked this one. So I got that, and then at our favorite antique mall, I picked up this little green floral tank top. This is from Fashion Bug. I love like vintage tags like this. Like, I don't know. It's just so cute. I like the little butterfly. Okay, but this is what it looks like. I thought this would be cute on like Easter or something. It's got like a super cute little pastel green floral print, and then when you look a little closer, it's got the green ribbon around it and a little bow. Isn't this cute? Then it's got like the ruffle hem too. I love this. I really do. And then I think this one might be my favorite top. I got this at a thrift store that we've never been to. It's this Urban Outfitters 3/4 bell sleeve top. I actually wore this yesterday. I layered it over like a white lace cami, and I just felt like a baddie. Okay, like I don't know, something about this top, it just like works wonders. It's really cute. I love the pattern on it, and then it's got like this light blue lace trim. I honestly just like love the sleeves. Like look at that. They're like these bell trumpet style, and yeah, it's like sheer mesh too, so it's like super lightweight. I feel like I'm gonna wear this so much. All right, so that's basically everything I thrifted within the past month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. I got some really good stuff. Can't wait to wear and style everything. Anyways, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see more of my everyday life, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. I have a lot of exciting videos coming soon. Thrifting for furniture, decorating our house, empty house tour, all of the above, definitely coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!